Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this bonk update today. And bonk still is on a sideways movement. I kind of turned off the logarithmic scale previously, and I noticed something a little bit different. So I'm going to remove the drawings here, and it does seem like bonk never really broke out of anything. So if you look at some of this support and resistance that you have, to me it does look like bonk still has an issue of breaking below here. So if you look at the pattern itself, when you have the logarithmic scale turned off, then here's your result. You have one rejection here and a move to the downside. You pump back up, you got another rejection right over there and a move to the downside. You pump back up and then you got rejected. It doesn't even ever look like bonk ever really made it to the upside or whatever. Now if you want to even stretch the support line now, it does look like this is your eventual final result, and you do have a pop that may happen tomorrow. So the time is very near. I think you have to fasten your seatbelts now, because bonk is about to make a final move, and I think that you are going to get a big answer moving forward. Now if you do actually try to pump up, go to 1200, which I highly doubt, then you may be looking for that retest down to 952 and eventually go back up here, which is at 2496. That's the break direction based on a pattern and based on a logic of this triangle you have. Otherwise, if you're looking for the pop down, and I've given you 874 or maybe let's say 850, if this is taken out, if you come down and take 852, I highly doubt, if this doesn't turn out to be a fake out where you make a fake out and then go back up, that's a different story. But if you, for real, like this becomes the break to the downside and to lose the structure and pump back up to 1008, maybe even 1069, then you eventually are going to be dropping, and your next technical target is down to 280. I've told you this before, so I'm just going to mark it again, and it's going to be up somewhere to 270, 280. You're looking for a very big push to the downside, and that's where we may have next buying opportunities for bonk. And that's all for the video. Do watch the Bitcoin update to understand what's going on overall in the market as well, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.